This nigga stupid.
Pearl that hoe. Oh, my mama pearl that bitch, man.
Nah, as soon as he did that crib shit, that's what made me get kind of in my feelings and shit. Cause I got whooped by a crib. I don't know. I'm trying to get initiated in this shit. Dude, whoop my ass.
You try to get deep in there?
I tried to get initiated in. We wasn't in Chicago, nigga. We was in on Silver Spring, nigga.
You get initiated in this F4 crib too.
Nah, you ain't finna whoop my ass. Fuck that. I already learned my lesson with that trying to get jumped in and shit. I'm gonna leave that shit alone. Fuck it. If anything, my daddy jumped me in on the real.
Your daddy phone crib?
My daddy is a gangster, nigga. He original gangster. Yeah, original gangster.
Phone crib.
You pearl that.